times. Next stop southbound is Flamingo Caesar's Palace Station. Our next stop is the closest station to Caesar's Palace, featuring the Forum Shops and the Coliseum Theater, the Cromwell Hotel, featuring the popular Dre's Day Club, nightclub, and after hours. Access to the Linq Entertainment District is available from the Flamingo Station as well as Paris, the Linq Station. Here you'll find a unique array of shops, restaurants, and bars, plus Brooklyn Bowl and the High Roller, the world's largest observation wheel. Now arriving at Flamingo Caesar's Palace Station. All times. Next stop southbound is Bally's in Paris, Las Vegas Station. Welcome aboard. Federal law requires all passengers wear a mask while riding. Failure to comply may result in denial of boarding or removal and penalties under federal law. Thank you for your cooperation. Our next stop is the closest station to the Bellagio and its iconic fountain show. Planet Hollywood, featuring the Miracle Mile shops, the Cosmopolitan, featuring Marquee Night and Day Club, the Eiffel Tower experience at Paris Hotel and Casino, and City Center, which includes Aria Resort and Casino, Ladara Hotel and Spa, the Waldorf Astoria, Gear Towers, and Crystal's Retail District. We hope you're having a great time riding the Las Vegas Monorail. Tweet us your best monorail selfie at LV Monorail. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Now arriving at Bally's in Paris, Las Vegas Station. Next stop southbound is MGM Grand Station. Welcome aboard. Federal law requires all passengers wear a mask while riding. Failure to comply may result in denial of boarding or removal and penalties under federal law. Thank you for your cooperation. Our next stop is the closest station to MGM Grand Hotel and Casino, where you'll find the MGM Grand Garden Arena and the popular nightclub Hakkasan. The Mandalay Bay, featuring the Shark Reef Aquarium and the Mandalay Bay Beach, as well as Mandalay Bay Convention Center. Our next stop is also the closest station to Luxor, Excalibur, Tropicana, Port Las Vegas, New York, Park MGM, and the Four Seasons Resort. It's also the closest station to T-Mobile Arena, home of the Las Vegas Golden Knights, and Allegiant Stadium, home of the Las Vegas Raiders. This is the last stop southbound. Make sure to take all your belongings with you as you exit the monorail, including shopping bags, giant drinks, Elvis glasses, casino chips, showgirl feathers. You get the point. All the way down. Exit to the left. Thanks. Now arriving at MGM Grand Station. This is the last stop southbound. All